There we go. Okay, now you can do it.
Okay,
go ahead.
Let's kill the bird.
The bird is dying. The bird is going to be cut.
I think we should slingshot it against a wall.
We should. We should.
I learned this technique how to do it on the TV.
Oh, yeah?
I'm watching the cake boss
Oh yeah.
all the time. And
So
that's
there goes
how
the tail.
I can do it. That's how I can do it.
Okay, here goes the nose. There's the beak.
Look at
Alright,
me.
now it's all edible. Yeah, go ahead.
Moi j'ai envie de manger juste le marzipan.
I know, that's yours.
The cake.
Between the eyes.
Right, I want some breast
Du
meat.
laisses avec le Christmas?
I want breast meat.
Oh,
What happened to the beak?
No, we went to a friend's house.
What happened to the beak?
oh,
It's right here.
They made all this homemade.
There's the beak.
Pretty nice cake.
By the way, those are all edible.
I
Children
know,
may pick the...
but Melanie only can eat that.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Yes. I know you want cake.
I'll take just 1 quart.
Yeah, I know.
That's good enough.
My wife was
Yeah. Yeah, that's
Tu vois,
yours.
Jean-Claude, tu devrais apprendre à faire des gâteaux comme
Oh
ça.
oui, certainement, oui.
Pour les petits enfants.
Yeah.
Tu devrais faire un
Emilien
schtroumpf.
serait content.
Pour émerveiller les petits-enfants.
And let's see how the cake look like actually.
Oh!
I couldn't
Cake, yes.
Oh, that's an angry cake.
Okay, when somebody can start serving the children.
Oui, il
Yes.
faut donner d'abord aux petits parce que...
Pour les enfants.